Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Windows 10 or Windows 11 activations error 0x800411014 that reads a critical error occurred while converting genuine authorizations tickets on these licenses. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung services, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So dito sa services and services local, and next step, so kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung Windows Update. So scroll down lang tayo at hanapin natin dito yung Windows Update. Okay, ito siya. So ang gagawin natin dyan is select mo lang siya, and then kailangan mo lang mag-double click, and then pop up itong kanyang properties. So dito lang sa general, and then dito lang sa startup type. So i-select mo lang dito yung automatic, and then dito sa kanyang running ay i-click mo lang tong stop, and then wait natin na ma-complete yung process. And then dito sa kanyang service status ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung start, and then pagkatapos i-click mo lang dito yung apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, and other solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin tong services at dito lang ulit sa search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter or i-type natin yung command keyword na ipconfig space //DNS. Okay, so kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na ipconfig space //DNS, one word yan, and then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na successfully flash the DNS resolver cache. And next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung NATSH space WNSAC space reset. Ayan, so i-type mo lang yung command keyword na NATSH space WNSAC space reset, and then press mo lang yung enter. And makikita mo na dito na successfully reset the WNSAC catalog. So you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Right? So ang last command keyword na kailangan natin i-type, so type mo lang yung SFC space /scan now. Ayan. So i-type mo lang yung command keyword na SFC space /scan now, and then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. And next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. At dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart o click mo lang dito yung restart. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows activations with error code 0x800411014 in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.